Do you have like Gavel or something to bang if things get crazy? Or you can just like order 'em, my quarter 'em.
Let me see if I can find a sound effect.
Oh, I mean, it can just be any heavy object on a table. We'll do.
Come to order.
That works. That works.
Are you beating a boot? That sounded like a boot.
That's a heavy flashlight here.
Is that you, Bob?
Yeah.
How's it? All right. Let me.
You got like just hit a piece of wood.
Let me try. How's that? No?
I couldn't hear it.
Okay, it's not picking up for whatever reason. I banged on my desk. The eye object. Okay, it's my magnifying glass, but
don't break it.
No, it's got a good base. But not good enough, so y'all have to do the sound effects. I don't know why it'll pick up my voice and not the boom, but there you go.
Yeah.
You try just rapping on it with your hand?
On what? No, I banged
on a piece of wood.
I banged an object on the wood and it didn't pick up. That's not me.
That sounds like somebody breaking down my dungeon door.
Open up, Mistress.
Mikey,
So
you too early for your appointment.
No, my appointment's not till 7:00 tonight. You know I like the evenings better.